have a daughter, Cheryl was not the best at cooking or cleaning. She found these tasks boring and would rather spend her time doing something else. Unfortunately, this caused problems for her and her family, as the house was always messy and cooking was a disaster. One day, Cheryl realized that she needed to change. She saw how much her laziness was affecting her family, and she knew she needed to step up. So, she started small. She began by cleaning one room a day, and slowly but surely, her house began to look cleaner. She also started watching cooking videos and trying out new recipes. At first, they didn't always turn out great, but she kept practicing and soon became a decent cook. Cheryl was surprised by how much she enjoyed the feeling of accomplishment that came with taking care of her home and providing for her family. She was no longer lazy, and it felt great. The lesson Cheryl learned was that sometimes it's important to step out of our comfort zones and work hard to improve ourselves. By putting in the effort, we can achieve great things and make a positive impact on those around us.